Okay, so in a lot of my workouts, I do a move to work the little upper part of the glutes and oblique areas called a pretzel. You might see this in a lot of other people's workout routines as well, but it can be very challenging on people dealing with chronic pain issues because you put a lot of pain right here on your hips and on your buttocks area. It's really, really straining. So this is a traditional pretzel. You're going to keep the front leg bent and the back leg bent, leaning forward, and then you're going to lift that back leg up and then squeeze your booty, pushing that leg back. You definitely feel it in the hip flexors here and in the outer thigh. So a really great modifications that work the same area are the following. Okay, so you can come on all fours. If you need to support your knees, just roll your mat up 2 or 3 times, put some cushion under there. You're gonna come on all fours, turning your hands out, holding your abs in, and you're just going to take a bent leg up to the side and then push behind, out, and down. Now this one is so effective, but it can cause a little bit of cramping. So if that happens to you, or if you feel it too much, again, in the outer part of your upper outer thigh, then you're gonna stay in that position and you're gonna flex your foot. You can put a weight behind the back of your leg if you wanna make it more challenging. You're just gonna lift your knee up, squeeze like a little extra lift at the top here, lift up, and then halfway down. Up, halfway down. And then switch sides when you start to feel the fatigue in one leg. Okay, so the last modification is a standing modification. So if you have a lot of knee pain and those 2 moves are too challenging, and come on up. You can grab a chair, it really helps with balance. I know I need that. Okay, so you're gonna lean on the chair. If this is too straining on your neck, you can lean all the way on the chair, placing your hands right here on the seat. You're just gonna bring one leg out straight, pointing the toe, lift it all the way up, bend the knee, lift up, out, and down. All right, you can definitely feel this in the same area that you feel it when you do those pretzels, no? I know I do. So try those modifications next time you see a pretzel being done in any workout, and I guarantee you're going to notice changes in your booty and your outer thigh really, really fast.